Hello everybody, I'm here today with Chris Marino from Enterprise Knowledge, sponsors of the Omnichannel X conference, and I'm going to have a few quick questions for him about his area of expertise. Chris is a developer, consultant, and solutions architect with 15 years of experience on the cutting edge, and has some answers to some questions near and dear to my heart. So the first one I'm going to ask Chris is, why bother, for search reasons, componentizing content? We have possibly voluminous documents which we're searching for, and at the end of the day, we're just searching for our answer. We're just searching for a bunch of words. So what's the point of actually breaking them down into components from a search perspective?
Large voluminous documents can have an adverse effect on your searcher's experience and overall satisfaction. There are two main negative impacts. First, there's relevancy. Relevancy is a score the search engine assigns each of your matching documents based on the search terms you entered. The higher the score, the more relevant it is, and the closer to the top it'll appear in your results. Under the hood, search engines use complex math and algorithms to score your results. The relevancy score is based on an assortment of statistics, things like term frequency, the number of total documents that contain your term, even the size of your document. Large documents tend to skew the scoring, causing undesirable behavior in your search results. They may continually appear simply because the document contains so many search terms, not because they're particularly relevant to your specific query. The second impact is related to user experience. If you click on one of these large documents from your search results, the document normally opens to the first page. Unfortunately, that's probably not where the relevant content is located. Instead, you may be forced to search again using Control-F within the document to find the content you need. The solution to both of these problems is componentizing your content to improve the overall search experience.
Okay, thank you very much for that comprehensive answer, Chris. My next question is about measurement. Today we are being asked more and more in a more mature omnichannel solutions environment how we can measure and defend what we're doing with content. So I wanted to know, how can I see the benefits of componentizing my content, and how can I measure that?
There are numerous benefits for search by componentizing your content. Some of the main ones include increased productivity, improved findability, and enhanced usability. Let's take a quick look at each one. First, increased productivity. Creating smaller documents allows you to tag them at a more precise, granular level. Instead of adding a wide variety of tags to a single large document, you can now add relevant tags precisely to the applicable section or paragraph of your document. Employees are most productive when they're quickly and efficiently getting the exact content they need to perform their job. Improved findability. With smaller documents, relevant content will now appear within the search results. The same large document won't continuously appear, forcing users to perform a second search within the document to find what they need. This means users will spend less time looking for the right content and more time acting upon it. Enhanced usability. Users will no longer need to scroll through large documents in your search application using a PDF viewer or other external application. Your smaller content components can easily be stored and displayed in a web-based content management system. It's much cleaner to display a few paragraphs of content within your web application instead of taking you completely out of context by opening a new app to read the document. Users will spend less time sifting through documents and more time getting answers.
Okay, thank you so much, Chris. Okay, my last question today is what steps should I actually take to start doing this? What do I need to do to implement these kind of benefits into my search applications in your common enterprise?
The primary step is to break up your large documents into smaller, more granular ones that leverage some of the features we just discussed. These documents should be stored and managed in a content management system. When choosing which documents to focus on, look for ones that have the following characteristics. Lengthy. A candidate document should be long and verbose. A 100-page document will benefit more from componentization than a 2 or 3-page one. Structured or hierarchical. The document should have some structure or hierarchy that can easily be captured. It could be as simple as section headings or as complex as a formal outline. Relevant. The document should be high value. There is time and effort required to transform the document, and you probably won't have the ability to transform all your documents. Use analytics or your own intuitive knowledge of your content to pick good candidates. Appeal to multiple audiences. Consider documents that have been written for multiple audiences. Often, we see content for a specific audience included deep within a larger, broader document. Someone interested in this targeted content has to wade through multiple pages trying to find this relevant content. Second, leverage your existing taxonomy, or create one if it doesn't exist, to tag your newly created, more granular components. Even better, consider leveraging machine learning and AI techniques as well, such as entity extraction and sentiment analysis, to further enhance these records. Overall, the replacement of large, unwieldy documents with a series of smaller, flexible ones will lead to more efficient searching. This means time and cost saved for the organization and higher levels of knowledge and satisfaction for your employees.
Okay, fantastic. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Chris. We really look forward to hosting your colleagues for Enterprise Knowledge who will be presenting at Omnichannel X and having sessions in the library. So thank you so much for joining us, and we hope to see you all on the blog, on the podcast, and around the Omnichannel X community.